Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Nivea with you. I hope all of you are amazing. It is very common in winter to get a dry, dehydrated skin, plus your lips can get chapped and your skin can look dull and flaky. But don't worry, because in this video I'm going to share my skincare routine for winter with you. My skincare routine starts with washing my face, and for that I use these two products. Now in my last video I didn't show you how do I use this gadget, so I'm going to show you now. First I'm going to take a little bit of the face wash, and because this is a foaming face wash I like to work it in between my fingers for a little bit, and then on my damp face I am going to apply it just like normal. Now after it is spread all over my face, I like to take this silicone side and I like to gently exfoliate in swirling motion with it. If you have any impurities laying in your face which a normal face wash cannot take out, this is going to make sure that it takes all of the gunk out of your face. I'm not putting any effort whatsoever. I'm just holding this very lightly, and I like to take it down to my neck as well. After washing it, I don't like to towel dry my face. Either I leave it on its own or I pat it dry, just like this. I don't dry it completely. Now at this stage, it is pretty damp. It has some moisture in it, but there is no excess water on my face. Now it is the perfect time to apply toner, and for that I'm using this Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. Just gonna spritz it twice on my face. And again, I like to spread it by patting the product, and it helps the product to get deep into the skin as well. Now again, it's pretty damp but not completely dry, and at this stage I like to go with my eye cream, and for that I'm using this Biotique Seaweed eye gel. I take a little bit on my finger and I distribute it evenly. My eye cream is set. It's time for moisturizer, and for that I'm going to use Pond's Super Light Gel. This is one of my favorite moisturizers of all time. It works so good with my skin. Now I am going to take a generous amount of it. Because this has few humectant ingredient in it, and plus it is winter, so I need to top it off with another moisturizer, and for that I have two options. Now the first option is Good Vibes Rosehip Oil. This is a facial oil and it is loved by a lot of beauty YouTubers. And the second option is this Nivea night cream. Now this is a oldie but a goodie. Now this has a super thick formula, so if you are of oily skin you might not like it, but for my combination skin it works great, and I want to go with this one today. Now while applying very thick formula like that, I like to leave my T-zone and I like to blend it on the outer perimeter of my face. Now after that, the final step is to moisturize lips, and for that I'm going to use this small pot of Borolene. Now if you are a Bengali, you would know our love about this product. This is so nourishing, and it doesn't matter how chapped your lips are, it will repair your lips. And that is how my winter night skincare routine looks like. You can probably see that glow on the face. It is going to be there throughout the night, and the thick cream that we've used before, it is going to make sure that it keeps nourishing our skin throughout the night. So that is it for today's video. If you like it, give me a like. If you like this face and want to see more from me, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on that little notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And until then, stay happy, keep glowing and moisturize your skin really well. Bye.